Have you ever wondered how these luxury canopy tents are actually made? Today, let's take you behind the scenes of our manufacturing process. It all starts with precision stitching on premium quality fabric, ensuring every seam is durable and perfectly finished. Next comes the frame assembly, where sturdy metal poles are securely connected and tied for maximum stability. The striped canopy fabric is then carefully fitted onto the structure. Look at these beautifully detailed scalloped edges. They give the tent a classic, elegant, and regal touch. Once assembled, every tent undergoes a thorough quality check. From the alignment of the stripes to the drop of the curtains, every detail is inspected to ensure top-notch quality. And here's the final result, a stunning luxury tent, ready to transform any garden or outdoor space into a paradise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.